Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Soursop, scientific name Annona Muricata, also called graviola, guanábana and guanábana, is the fruit of a broadleaf flowering evergreen tree. It is in the Annonaceae family and adapts to areas of high humidity. Where the soursop originated is unknown, but it is native to the Caribbean and the Americas, but is now widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical climates. It is also grown in parts of Southeast Asia and is abundant in the island of Mauritius. The main suppliers of the fruit are Mexico, followed by Peru, Brazil, Ecuador, Guatemala, and Haiti. The aroma is similar to pineapple. The flavor of the fruit has been described as a combination of strawberries and apple, with sour citrus flavor, contrasting with a thick creamy texture reminiscent of banana. Soursop is widely promoted, sometimes as graviola, as an alternative cancer treatment. The tree can grow to about 30 feet, approximately 9.1 meters tall. The petals are thick and yellowish. The fruit is dark green and prickly and can be up to 30 centimeters, approximately 12 inches long, with a moderately firm texture and a weight of up to 6.8 kilograms, approximately 15 pounds. The flesh of the fruit consists of an edible white pulp, some fiber, and a core of indigestible black seeds. The pulp is used to make fruit nectar, smoothies, fruit juice drinks, as well as candies and ice cream flavorings. Raw soursop fruit is 81% water, 17% carbohydrates, 1% protein, and has negligible fat. Popularly, it is eaten raw when it ripens. Notably, soursop is a common ingredient for making fresh fruit juices that are sold by street food vendors. Soursop leaves are sold and consumed in Indonesia as herbal medicine. The leaves are usually boiled to make tea, and it is also believed to have medicinal benefits, such as for preventing cancer, good for nerves, fibromyalgia, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.